Cars of all kinds set up in the parking lot of Golden Corral in Joplin as part of the 15th annual Cruising for Veterans event. The event is a partnership between Golden Corral in Joplin and the Car Buddies organization. The car show had raffles and even a silent auction, all for the Disabled American Veterans Organization. The yearly car show benefits local veterans and their families and raises money to help with transportation costs for medical treatments, food, and other expenses.
This is our chance of giving back to them. This year especially has been so tough as years past that so many of our military veterans are struggling.
While the winning cars were awarded trophies, local veterans are the real big winners. Speaking of